explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is active and passive voice. So let's talk about this, that what they are telling us about the active and the passive voice in this chapter. So voice means the mode of stating an action गिविंग इम्पोर्टेंस टू द सब्जेक्ट और द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो वॉइस का मतलब होता है किसी ऐसे एक्शन को स्टेट करना जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट या फिर एक ऑब्जेक्ट की इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में बताया जा रहा हो. When the subject is given importance, the mode of verb is known as active voice. कि जब सब्जेक्ट को इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती है तो जो मोड ऑफ वर्ब होता है उसे हम एक्टिव वॉइस के नाम से जानते हैं. इन द एक्टिव वॉइस द सब्जेक्ट द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन कम्स बिफोर द वर्ब. कि एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट है, जो एक्शन का डूअर है, वो वर्ब से पहले आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मयंक पेंटेड दैट ब्रिलियंट पिक्चर. एग्जाम्पल के लिए अगर बात की जाए तो मयंक painted that brilliant picture, right? So when the object is given importance, जब object को ज़्यादा importance दी जाती है, the mode of verb is known in as the passive voice. तब हम उस mode of verb को passive voice की तरह जानते हैं, right? In the passive voice, the object, the receiver of the action comes before the verb. कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट की एक पैसिव वॉइस की अगर बात की जाए तो उसमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है यानी कि जो एक्शन का रिसीवर होता है वो वर्ब से पहले आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ब्रिलियंट पिक्चर वॉज पेंटेड बाय मयंक, राइट? नेक्स्ट, लेट्स रिमेंबर व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू टेल अस इन दिस बॉक्स. टू फाइंड आउट which voice is used, look at the verb. कि अगर हमें पता लगाना है कि हम कौन से वॉइस की बात कर रहे हैं तो हमें वर्ब को देखना होगा. We make the passive form the verb be with the past participle. कि हम passive form को बनाते हैं verb be का यूज करके past participle के साथ. For example, is taken, was woken, will be fined, right? Next, only transitive verbs have passive forms because only this sort of verbs takes an object. कि सिर्फ transitive verbs की passive forms होती हैं क्योंकि सिर्फ यही एक ऐसा तरीका है जो object यूज करता है, right? Changing sentences from active voice to passive voice. अब हम कैसे एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर सकते हैं सेंटेंसेस को. रिमेंबर द फॉलोइंग रूल्स इफ यू कैन चेंज अ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस. कि अगर आप एक्टिव टू एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज कर रहे हो तो आपको जल्दी से ये सारे रूल्स याद रखने होंगे. सो इट इज the object of the sentence in the active voice is made the subject of the sentence in the passive voice. कि जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है सेंटेंस का एक्टिव वॉइस में वो सब्जेक्ट बना दिया जाता है सेंटेंस का पैसिव वॉइस में, राइट? सो दिस श्रेया एट दिस डिलीशियस फूड. तो यहाँ पर जो हमारा डिलीशियस फूड है वो है ऑब्जेक्ट, पर हमने इसे पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करके इसे अपना सब्जेक्ट बना दिया है. So it becomes, this delicious food was eaten by Shreya. Right? Next, the passive verb form is. अब passive verb form कौन सी है? So it is verb to be plus past participle. The subject is used at the end after preposition by. कि जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रीपोजिशन के बाद यूज किया जाता है सेंटेंस के बिल्कुल एंड में और वो प्रीपोजिशन होती है बाय, राइट? या फिर किसी और प्रीपोजिशन का यूज भी हम यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. द टेबल बिलो reviews the different forms of verb eat in passive voice. कि ये जो नीचे टेबल है ये अलग अलग वर्ब फॉर्म्स दिखाती है eat के, जो कि पैसिव वॉइस में यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. So it is active voice and passive voice in the simple, continuous and the perfect tense. So it is eat, eats, am, is or are eaten. In the continuous it is am, is, are eating. But in the passive voice it is am, is, are being eaten. Perfect, have or has eaten, or in the passive voice it is have or has been. We have the past tense. So same table हमें follow करना है, active और passive voice in the simple, continuous and perfect tense. Let's read it. So it is ate. In the passive voice it is was or were plus eaten. Continuous, was या were eating, and in passive it is was or were being eaten. In perfect it is had eaten, and in passive it becomes had been eaten, right? Next we have the future tense in the active and the passive voice, and in the three tenses, that is simple, continuous and perfect, right? So it is in the active it is shall or will eat. In the passive it is shall or will be eaten. In the continuous it is shall or will be eating, and this future tense cannot be converted into its passive voice. So it is left blank over here. Next is the perfect tense. In active voice it is shall or will have eaten, and in the passive voice it is shall or will have been eaten. Now here we have a thing to remember, which says there is no passive voice for future continuous tense. कि future continuous tense के लिए कोई भी passive voice नहीं होती है, जैसे कि मैंने आपको भी बताया था. Present perfect continuous tense has, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense, right? इन सभी tenses के लिए कोई भी passive form नहीं होती है, right? All sentences in the active voice cannot be changed into passive voice. कि जरूरी नहीं है कि सभी एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज की जा सके, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I have the bike repainted. Priya sings well. The child weighs 6 kilograms, right? There are some sentences which are written in passive voice. They cannot be changed into the active voice. अब वही कुछ sentences ऐसे हैं जो passive form में लिखे जा सकते हैं पर active voice में नहीं लिखे जा सकते हैं. So it is, we are born without teeth. The theft was captured on video, right? Some sentences in the passive voice may not tell you who the doer of the action is. कि कुछ sentences passive voice में हमें नहीं बताएंगे कि action का doer यानी उसका subject कौन है, right? जैसे कि example, a deer was killed, but who killed the deer is not mentioned. deer तो मर गया पर उसे किसने मारा ये हमें mention नहीं किया हुआ है. The furniture was dusted, कि furniture dusted था, but who dusted the furniture is not mentioned. पर वो किसने किया, that we are not aware of. The passive continuous verb form consists of, passive continuous verb form की जो formation है वो कुछ इस तरीके से है. Verb with to, with be, plus being, plus past participle. So इसके examples हैं, he is taking his pet for a walk. His pet is being taken for a walk. Father was reprimanding Shilpa. Shilpa was being reprimanded by father. The passive perfect form consists of. अब जो passive perfect form होती है वो क्या है? Is verb to have plus been plus past participle. और examples हैं a lion has attacked the man. Passive, the man has been attacked by a lion. Next, Rohan had praised Shreya. Shreya had been praised by Rohan. The passive future verb consists of. अब passive future verb में क्या क्या आता है? So it is will plus be plus past participle. Then it is I will keep the bag here. The bag will be kept here by me. A guard will watch over the house tonight. The house will be watched over by a guard tonight. Correct? Next, we have uses of the passive voice. So, passive voice के क्या-क्या uses हैं? So, it is when it is not necessary to maintain the doer of the action as it is obvious who, she or he, it is, was या will be. कि ये necessary नहीं है हमें mention करना कि action का doer कौन था. Right? It is obvious. So, examples are the streets are swept every day. The rubbish hasn't been collected. Your leg will be x-rayed. When we don't know or have forgotten who did the action. जब हमें नहीं पता होता है या फिर हम भूल जाते हैं कि वो एक्शन किसने किया है. So it is the leader was murdered. My bike has been damaged. You will be met at the airport. When the subject of the active voice is people. जब वॉइस का जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो कोई पर्सन होता है. So it is he is suspected of buying stolen goods. People suspect him of buying goods. Right? They are supposed to be living in Delhi. People suppose that they are living to be in when the subject of the active sentence would be the indefinite person. जब एक एक्टिव सेंटेंस का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो एक indefinite person हो. जैसे कि one sees his sort of ad everywhere. The sort of ad is seen everywhere. Next, when we are more interested in the action than the person who does it. जब हम किसी काम में इतना इंटरेस्ट ले लें उस पर्सन से भी ज्यादा जो वो काम को परफॉर्म कर रहा है तब. So it is the house next door has been bought. If we know Mr. Gupta, we use the active voice, right? My father's friend Mr. Gupta has bought the house next door. Next it is special cases. So they say, see the change of voice in these sentences carefully. अब जल्दी से इन sentences में जो changes हैं उनको जल्दी से देखते हैं. Mango tastes sweet. Mango is sweet when it is tasted. Never tell a lie. Let a lie be never told. Open the door. You are ordered to open the door. We went to see his hanging. We went to see him being hanged. Always speak the truth. You are advised to always speak the truth. Please help me out of this problem. You are requested to help me out of this problem. Next, some variations on the passive sentence. तो अब कुछ variations देखते हैं passive sentence की, right? So it is, we can change an active sentence which starts with people, or they say, or everybody believes, or something, or nobody expects into a passive sentence, right? तो अब कुछ वेरिएशंस हमें पैसिव सेंटेंस की यहाँ पर दी गई हैं कि हम एक एक्टिव सेंटेंस को जब शुरू करते हैं पीपल से या दे से या एवरीबडी बिलीव्स या फिर इन सभी वर्ड से इनटू अ पैसिव स्टेट सेंटेंस, राइट? सो वी कैन मेक द प्रोनाउन इट द सब्जेक्ट, कि हम प्रोनाउन इट को सब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं. इज दे पेड दैट ही they said that he was a genius. It was said that he was a genius. People thought that he was wise. It was thought that he was wise. Nobody expects the road to be ready by next week. It is not expected that the road will be ready by next week. Next, alternatively, the person or thing which people are thinking or talking about can be the subject of the verb followed by a to infinitive, right? तो अब अगर हम देखें कि एक पर्सन या थिंग जब जिस भी पीपल के बारे में हम सोच रहे होते हैं या बात कर रहे होते हैं, कैन बी द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब, अगर वो एक सब्जेक्ट बन सकती है वर्ब का फॉलोड बाय टू इन्फिनिटिव, तो हम उसके आगे टू लगाते हैं. सो इट इज, शी वाज सेड टू बी जीनियस. ही वाज थॉट टू बी मैड. द bypass is not expected to be ready by next year. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are here with the active and the passive voice and how to convert them. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.